When fitting these, pull out one bolt at a time, putting one bolt plus the knob in at a time. That will stop anything moving out of place and any alignment issues. That's the knob fitted. The tape is just to protect the finish while screwing in the Allen keys. And that's the short knob on the right hand side, fitted. Looks like it sticks out a bit, but it's actually not too bad, especially once you're on the bike. And it definitely will save that expensive looking engine in there and that expensive looking cover there. Now for the left hand side. The left hand side one's on. It's a bit wider because the engine sticks out, and I stuck the tiniest amount of rubber in there because it was just touching the side of the bike.